Okay, we've taken this out in here, so hopefully this is enough so our mouth will open and close. So we're going to tie our string on temporarily. We want to make sure this mouth is going to work properly. We're going to take our 3-inch spring and connect it on here. So we have that done. So now we're going to put it into the head. I'm going to mount this back in here and see what we got. See if it works okay. I think we might be alright. So we'll screw the mouth back. Goes. If it's still not right, just take it out, take a little more off here and there until you get it to fit, because you really want to make sure this fits correctly. Catching on something. And that's not what you want to happen when you're opening and closing the mouth. You don't want that to catch. So we have to check and see where we need to make some adjustments on there. And I'm going to have to mark these sides a little bit. So we're going to sand this down here and here, and a little off the top, till we get this to open and close okay. So we'll get that done, and then we'll come back and try it again. Thanks for watching.